Well, hey there, YouTubers. As you might have guessed, yeah, I'm playing Halo right now while I'm taking a break while they're talking, and I just joined a clan called Die Hard Gamers. So, yeah. Sorry, I was shaking out for me. But yeah, really not much today. Another frustrating day at work. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my job, but, I think it's all good. Yeah. Not a lot to really say. The pain getting in home after work because of traffic. But, yeah. Don't know really what to say. But how about this? Everyone who's watching, start posting me questions. I'll answer them, whether about myself, my opinions, or maybe you just have a really weird question you want me to ask. Like truth or dare, except I'll be honest. Bye!